Welcome to NG Academy. This is episode 2 of Defect of Vision. Today we will discuss longsightedness. So what is longsightedness? It is a defect of vision in which a person can see the distant object clearly but cannot see the nearby object clearly. So what is the cause? Let's see its causes. Due to the shortening of the eyeball and due to increase in the focal length of eye lens. So what is the correction for longsightedness or remedy? The defect of this vision can be corrected by wearing spectacles with convex lens of suitable power, or let's say suitable focal length. Now let's understand the case of long-sighted eye or hypermetropic eye. Well friends, this is our eye. Let's suppose this is our eye, long-sighted eye. Such eye cannot see object clearly if object is placed at its near point, that is 25 centimeter from the eye. For example, this is your object lying at 25 centimeter from the long-sighted eye. This object is lying at its near point, 25 centimeter away. Light rays emerging from the object O strikes the eye lens. The eye lens refract or converge the light rays behind the retina where the image is formed. So in this case the image is formed behind the retina, not at the retina. Since the light rays is not focused on the retina, so the person cannot see the object, and we say the person suffer from long-sighted eye. For example, this eye belongs to this person. For a long-sighted eye, or hypermetropic eye, 25 centimeter is no more a near point. In fact, its near point is shifted to some distance x from this eye. Its near point is p bar. I suppose. Let's suppose this P is the near point of the normal eye, but this is not a normal eye, this is hypermetropic eye. If we place object at this point P, it cannot see, but if this object is placed here, then it can easily see this object. Anywhere before this, anything or any object before P bar, if we place any object before P bar, then it cannot form the clear image of these objects. So friends, what can we do for its remedy so that it can see object at point P like that of normal eye? Well, it can be corrected on wearing convex lens of suitable focal length. Now let's see through ray diagram how convex lens correct the problem. Suppose this is our long-sighted eye. Long-sighted eye. We place our object at 25 centimeter. Okay, before we place object, we wear convex lens. This is our convex lens. Now we place our object here at point P. This is 25 centimeter away from this eye lens. Now, but for long-sighted eye, the near point would be here at P bar. Light rays. Okay, let's use another red pen for a ray diagram. Okay friends, light rays emerging from the object strikes convex lens, it converges light rays, it converges light rays. These converged light rays for this eye appears to come from this point P bar, and this eye lens now converges light rays to the retina. Hence this object at near point is clear for this eye. Well friends, this is the rough ray diagram. Now I'll show you how the ray diagram is made. This is point P, 25 centimeter away. This is P bar, new near point of this long-sighted eye. Light rays emerging from the object at point P, emerging from object at point P, it converts the light rays. Well, it converts the light rays, and the light rays appear to come from point P bar. It converts the light rays, and the light rays appear to come from this point P bar. Now the eye lens further converts the light rays to the retina of the eye lens. Okay, this is the ray diagram you need to make for long-sighted eye. Let's give arrow. For light rays we have to give arrowhead. Now let's discuss the question. Saroja sees distant objects comfortably, but she feels difficulty to see nearby object. What kind of defect of vision is she suffering from? She is suffering from, yes, it's long-sightedness. What is the remedy of such defect of vision? The remedy is to wear convex lens of suitable focal length. Now show it in diagram. Okay, we just did it. This one is your diagram. This is the diagram that represents the correction to the long-sightedness. Well friends, this is all about long-sightedness. In our next video we will discuss on heat chapter. Okay, so till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.